Welcome to my basement office. The basement is completely empty. There are only cinder blocks, cement flooring, and 4 metal poles that hold up the upper floor. This is the layout that we are going to create that I designed myself. Here is us putting up the sheetrock and the outlets. And here we've added in the flooring, painted the walls, and added in the glass doors to add more lighting. And we've added in the baseboards and the trim around the closet door.
Here is my office. I have a picture of it where it had a ton of clutter in here. As you can see, all of this items, all of these shelves, all these decor pieces, wreaths, filing cabinets, lamps, etc. All this stuff has to fit in my office and in this closet area, which is going to be my staging closet. So right now I took these 4 cabinets, which were in my kitchen. These we painted gray, they're from Lowe's. I'm going to put 2 on this wall with a desk in the middle of 2. And I think I'm going to put 2 on this wall with a desk in the middle of 2. I haven't decided. Maybe I'll put 2 cabinets here, and then a desk here, and then 2 more cabinets here, and on this wall it'll probably just be a desk. And this is going to be it's a shorter wall. It's going to be where I do all my webinars and stuff. So here's my desk. It came in 8 packages, and these are actually 2 desks. So I'm going to build it, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's done. And so the rules in staging a room is you start from the floor up. So I'll be moving in the big pieces first, and then adding in my linens, like my rugs and my curtains. And then last, you decorate the walls full of all this fun decor.
And here's what the desk looks like, completely built. I bought 2 of them so that I could have an extra extension. And here's my husband hanging up floating shelves from Ikea and my pegboard. And some more pantry cabinets that we moved in from Lowe's and some folding tables. So we purposely put an outlet up high so that we could hang a TV here. And that way we could sit on the couch or exercise with watching TV in the corner. We also purposely put all of our outlets high at counter height because we knew we'd be using this as an office, and so we didn't want them down below where most outlets are. All right, this is the project I've been working on. As you can see, I've been sanding. So we are adding some barnyard doors that are going to go like this. And this had to get added. This was not here. And so the barnyard doors are going to have one that goes this way, one that goes this way. So I've been sanding, as you can see, all of this. Next, I'll have to paint it, and then we'll go ahead and get the railing on tomorrow. Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a tour of my office. It is completely done and it's furnished and everything is hung up and in place. So here we go. So I floor planned this basement, and I did it to where this can also be a 5th bedroom. And by being a 5th bedroom, it had to have a clear exit to the outside via door or window. So obviously the sliding glass door serves both purposes of a door and a window. And so I purposely put this office here in this space of the basement.
we did add a barnyard door, and behind that is a huge storage area that is also, or can be, a closet for this bedroom. So you always have to make sure that we have, to be a legal bedroom, you need to have a window door exit, a door on the bedroom, and a closet. So here we go. So what we did here is I bought 2 desks from Ikea. These are called, no, I'm not sure what they're called. I'll have to put that in the comments below. But I really love it. It has drawers on each side, so there's 5 drawers. So I have a total of 20 drawers. And then we also bought these floating shelves from Ikea, and so I've had more stuff on here. It's kind of minimal right now because we've packed up some stuff. And this is a DIY project that Ethan and I did. I just wanted a place to hang up different things. This was originally for my craft area, and so we just did some 2x4s and a pegboard on top of it, and then bought all the pegboard hooks. And then I got these. I think I got these from Aldi, and I can just store different things in here. Right now it's just office supplies with paper clips and magnets and some other stuff, but usually I have buttons and trinkets in there for crafting or scrapbooking. And over here I have my computer area and my microphone for when I edit videos, or for when I do live videos in my Facebook group at Lady Realtor Boss. And I like to have dual screens, so I have my laptop hooked up to my monitor and then my keyboard, etc. It's just some more stuff. If you can't tell, I love the color turquoise, and I love owls, and my home improvement and remodeling blog is called turquoiseowl.com. So over here, and you can see on this side, I have a couch and some more shelves. This office has transformed a lot. I used to have tables on this side, and this was the entire craft side that my daughter and I would work at together, and this was the entire office side. When I had an assistant, I had my assistant sit here. Now, and my kids just come here and sit down here with me some of the time. So we had everything done. We have ceiling tiles, vents, recessed lighting, the sheetrock, the baseboards, the flooring, everything we had to do and put in. And we even put in these glass doors because we wanted our basement to look really big and open, and so you can see all the way down the hallway and into this room with these glass doors. Of course, if you want privacy here, I've had vinyl adhesive or butcher paper that I put over the glass. So this is what it looks like, and I want to show you over here. So by code, this is where we added the second electric panel because we added a whole new HVAC for the downstairs. So that's why we have 2 electric panels. By code, you can't have an electric panel in the closet. So originally this was supposed to be a wall right here, and this was all going to be part of the closet. But by code, we had to have the electric panel in a room. So that's why we made this little niche into the room. And then I just have a closet to cover all this up. And this is just all extra storage, mainly for my real estate stuff. But we did put a light in here, so we have plenty of light. And then over here, and I'll put a link on how we did this barnyard door because it is custom. We actually put 2 doors side by side. Check out my new sliding door. So right there where that blue curtain is, we had to build a little 3-foot nook to hold the electric panel that we added for our basement. And as you can see, the top part of the wall here we added so that we could put this wood and railing there. And now it goes all the way across. And so it opens and closes like this.
And now it can cover everything that I have in my closet. But here is the closet. It's not pretty. It's just big and roomy. Right now I have some stuff in here for furnishing some condos that we bought, and just odds and ends office supplies. I have, you can see the water heaters down here and the whole HVAC system. So originally the HVAC guys and my husband didn't know where to put the HVAC system, and they originally put it here and it took up so much space. So I had them come back and reroute it all the way over here, and I'm so glad that I did because it's space efficient. So you know, I can exercise in here. This room is big enough for my elliptical and just some other things. So yeah, that's what it looks like. If anybody wanted, they could you know, hang up some shelving in here.
Thank you so much for watching my basement office transformation. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.